I'm still in shock that one single video could actually earn me this amount. Like, guys, this video has generated 100k views already, and I'm going to be sharing with us in today's video how much YouTube paid me for 100k views. Believe me when I say you can't wait. You can't wait to see how much I've earned from this video. But before we even get to that, one thing that you need to understand is that how much YouTube pays for 100k views differs, and especially when it comes to niche. Yes, because I've come across a lot of videos on how much YouTube paid for 100k views, and I'm wondering why was mine higher, and sometimes I'll be like, why was mine lesser? So I'm going to be sharing with us, first of all, the performance of this video, because when it comes to YouTube pay, a lot of things contribute to it, like your view duration, the watch hours, and also where your viewers are coming from. So I'm going to be taking you guys through a screen record right now to share with you the performance of the video before we even get to the revenue. Believe me when I say it's mind blowing. Yeah, I don't know, I'm going to leave you guys to judge. As we all know, this is the video here, so these are the analytics of the video. From the overview, you can see that this video has generated 103,000 views already. But don't worry, what you're going to be looking into is how much I earned for 100k views. All right, now look at the audience retention of this video: 3 minutes 26 seconds. Like, guys, if you watch this video, so we're going to be going straight to the reach of the video, and the impression is 1.2 million. Like, this video performed much more than I had expected. That is what this impression simply means, is that YouTube showed this video to 1.2 million people, and only 100,000 people chose to watch it. I think it's actually fair enough. So how viewers found this video: browse features. That is what I used to tell us, to optimize our videos. This video, most of the views are coming from browse features. Then suggested videos is 11.6%, which is massive. Other YouTube features are 5.6, direct or unknown are 2.7, and others are 3.3. Now this is the external sites or apps, that is from where views also come from. We have WhatsApp. Those of you that have been sharing my videos to WhatsApp, God bless you. So another one again is whatsapp.com, and also WhatsApp business. These are where extra views are coming from. God bless you all. So now the YouTube search terms are Princess Chiamaka. You all are really searching for my name. We have 27.4%, and Princess Chiamaka Tutor Zone, we have 14.8%, and last one is no watch hours or no subscribers. Okay, this is what people actually search in YouTube search bar to actually find this video. That is really beautiful. Now, content suggesting this video. The first one here is new trick to get 1k sub, which is my video. The second one is vibe with Sonia. The third one is my video. The fourth one is Chiamaka, my namesake. And the last one is creative Kel. All these people are big YouTubers, so don't play. Now, playlist featuring this video, of course, is my playlist. So we're going to be going straight to the engagement of this video. I want to be really fast. Now, this video has generated me 5.9k watch hours. Are you out there and you need watch hour? Do you need me to dash you some? Because this is really massive. Then this video has been remixed. Wow, I'm just seeing this. This video has been remixed, 7 remix and 1 total remix. I don't even know what this is all about. If you know, drop in the comment section. Okay, now audience retention, we've talked about that before. Key moments for audience retention: the intro was good to go. So that's that. For the likes versus dislike, there's nothing much. I don't even understand that particular side. Now for the audience, yeah, this is where I need you to pay attention to this particular point. Returning viewers are just 12.8k, which is massive. Oh, I love you guys so much. Now, device type: mobile, which is from the phone. People watch it from the phone for 68%, computer 19.3%, TV, and the rest of them. So these are the age watching the video. We have 18 to 24 years, 12%, down to 65 plus, which is 1.2%. I think 35 25 to 34 years actually resonated well with this video. Like, this video really performed well. Every age group actually watched this video. So for the gender aspect, we have male 55% and the female 44%. First time that the male actually turned up for me. Now we're going to be going to the main deal of the day: top geographies. Like, this affects how much you earn on YouTube. Top geographic affects how much you earn on YouTube. And luckily for me, I think this was way much higher during the December period. This United States was more like 35%, but I don't know. Maybe that was why the actual CPM reduced. We're going to be seeing that soon. So from the United States, I have 26.9%. That is really beautiful. I love you all out there. And from Nigeria, we have 31.2%, my people. And United Kingdom, sweet souls out there, I have 5.0%. Like, this is massive. This is one of the reasons why this video is going to have high revenue. Now, watch time from subscribers. Chineke na. Guys, not subscribe, 94.6%. Hey, imagine 94.6% people watch this video and they didn't even care to subscribe to my channel. Guys, and subscribe is just 5.4%. Please, you guys should please do more. So please, if you are watching me for the first time now and you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Biko, I love you already. Please subscribe to my channel. So we're going to be going to the main deal of the day, which is the revenue aspect. Wait, I didn't even show you guys how many subscribers this video has given me since it was published here. Okay, this video has given me 3.7k subscribers, which is massive. Wow, 3.7k sub, almost 4,000 subscribers. Had it been people actually turned up, it should have been more than you can imagine that 90 something percent of people watched this video and they did not subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So let's go straight to the main deal of the day, which is the revenue aspect. And this video has generated me $579.77. Calm down. We're still going to be going to the calculations in naira. You know, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to calculate this in my currency, but we're going to be going there. So this is how I make money. Watch page ads is 99.5%. Membership is 0.3%. Supers and gifts is 0.2%. I think it's just only one person that actually gifted me. And membership, one person also joined my channel membership from this video. That is why you're seeing it here. Then the remaining of the money, which is the most is watch page ads. That is beautiful. So this is the video performance. Like as I said earlier on, the estimated revenue is $579. So I think YouTube paid for 102.2k views. Yeah, that is this morning. And the revenue for every 1k views is 5.67. So this is how much advertisers are paying, $11.58. But this was actually much more higher. It was higher in December. This revenue for 1k views was $6.97. So all of a sudden, January, it dropped. I don't know, but maybe it's because of the video stopped having views, or maybe advertisers, or I don't know. If you know much more better, please drop it in the comment section, okay? So this is how I earn. Skippable video ads is 81.5%. Thank you guys for not skipping my ads. Display ads is 14.2%. Bumper ad is 3%. Non-skippable 1.2%. And the rest of them. So let's check out how much this is in naira. Yeah. As of when last I checked, naira was 1,560 dollar. Yeah, that is 1,560 equals to $1. So now 1,560 times, let's go back and check again, is 579 point, okay, let's just say $579. So 1,560 times $579, and this is what we have, almost 1 million. Like, we have 903,240. Guys, hey, this is how much one video has earned me. almost 1 million naira from one single video. So I can so like as I said earlier on, I've been watching a lot of videos on how much YouTube pays for even 200k views. Like this my 1k view, the money is even way higher. So that's why I say sometimes it depends on your niche, and it also depends on the country watching that video and the content itself. Yeah, so guys, what do you think? Are you, and if you're out there, you are thinking of giving up on your YouTube channel, I think this should be a motivation for you not to think of doing that, because I was once in that position. There were times that I was having low views on this my channel. Like a month before I even made this my viral video, if you've been following me on this channel, I was contemplating on giving up on this my channel. Yes, so I was crying because of low views, and I just decided to be much more focused and forget about the low views and focus more on bringing out content that people will love to see and also hopping on trends. And this is where I am today. So if you're out there, YouTube is actually hard. Let nobody deceive you. YouTube is not easy, especially if you're still trying to gather that audience. So this should be a motivation for you not to give up. I'm still in shock that I could actually earn this amount from one single video. So please, if you're out there, don't give up. And if you're down, you can drop it in the comment section so that I can also give you a word of encouragement. Because one thing I believe on this YouTube street is we are supposed to be there for each other. Yeah, because one good thing I like about YouTube is that YouTube is just like markets. Like everyone comes in, explore and go back home. Yeah, I don't know if you can understand what I'm saying. Like YouTube space is for everybody. So if you're feeling YouTube is not for me because of your low views, I was once there, and I'm still experiencing it now. Yeah, because the low view is real. A lot of YouTubers out there, both big and small, we are all experiencing it. So don't give up because of you are having 51 subscribers since 2 months, 3 months you started. Just calm down, analyze things, check out what you're missing out, check out if there are ways for you to improve, and if maybe your niche is not just doing you good, maybe you're not too good with it, go to another niche, try out other things. There are lots of niche here on YouTube that fetch a lot of money. Name them, you can also give it a try. So this video is already getting too long than I had expected. Go down to the comment section and tell me your thoughts. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? 900 and and one good thing is that this video is still getting views, like it's still getting views. So hopefully once it gets to 200k views, like I'm saying this with faith, yeah, once this video gets to 200k views, I'm going to come and give you guys feedback, and by then the money should be above, or the money should be above $1,000. Yes, by God grace. So guys, bye bye, and see you in my next video. I love you all, and I love you too. First of all, thank you God Almighty for this achievement, because if not for God, I wouldn't be here today. So secondly, thank you to YouTube, and lastly, thank you to my beautiful subscribers, for you all that believe in me and believe in my content. I love you all so much, and I appreciate every one of you. Bye, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.